Creating a Facebook business page is a crucial step for establishing an online presence and connecting with your audience. Follow these steps to set up your Facebook business page. Begin by logging into your personal Facebook account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Menu button. From the drop-down menu, select Page from the Create column. Complete the required fields, including your page name and category. Be accurate and specific with your business details. Finally, click Create Page. From the left sidebar, you can now continue to finish setting up your page. Firstly, add detailed information about your business, including your website, contact details, location, and business hours. Continue to upload a professional profile picture, usually a logo, and a compelling cover photo that represents your brand. Select a relevant call-to-action button for your page. This could be Contact Us, Shop Now, Sign Up, or any other option that aligns with your business goals. Next, you can connect your WhatsApp account to allow your page audience to message you on WhatsApp. You can click Skip if you don't want to, or prefer to do it later. Start building your audience by inviting friends, family, and existing customers to like your page. Use the Invite Friends feature to expand your reach. Finally, choose how you would like to stay informed about your page. Congratulations! Your Facebook business page is now live and ready to connect with your audience. Keep it updated, stay engaged, and watch your online presence grow. Choose a unique username or vanity URL for your page. You can do so via the page Settings. This makes it easier for people to find and tag your business. It should be simple, memorable, and reflect your brand. Craft an engaging welcome post to introduce your business to your audience. Share your story, mission, and what people can expect from your page. Familiarize yourself with various features such as insights, publishing tools, and page settings. These tools help you understand your audience, manage content, and customize your page further.